Hi guys, my video about my Wi-Fi microscope and me getting it to work on my old laptop has just been published today. One of the comments was from Mike, he was surprised that the Wi-Fi app didn't work on my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G, which is what started the whole problem. I used to have a LG Spirit mobile phone and the app worked fine on that. When I upgraded to my what have I just said, Samsung Galaxy A51 5G, the app didn't work. So I went through all the old phones that I'd got because my LG Spirit had died big time and there was no way I could reuse that. So I went through all the old phones and the app wasn't compatible with any of the old phones I'd got. It was compatible with my wife's old phone, but that one has problems anyway, so I couldn't use that. Basically the battery didn't last for 5 minutes. So that's why we did the USB connection to the old laptop, so I could carry the laptop around and use the microscope away from my PC where we're sitting at the moment. Use it on USB, and that worked. Anyway, as Mike said, why doesn't it work on Android? I thought I'd better just double check, and it looks like they've updated the app, because this is my Samsung Galaxy A51 5G. This is my Wi-Fi microscope, and as you can probably see, we're working. Absolutely fine. Well, I say absolutely fine. I haven't tried recording any video on it yet. I just got it this far and saw it worked. So I know that when I looked on the App Store, whatever you call it, Google Play Store, there were lots of complaints about the app not working. I added my own complaint to it, and it looks like they may have updated it. So there we are working. I'm rather pleased with that now, because that means I can get back to what I wanted to do with it. The only thing I will say is it looks like it works in portrait mode. Not previously, that would be the top. So if I hold that way, the numbers should be the right way up, but they're not. As you can probably see, they're across the screen, sideways. If I turn the phone sideways, it stretches the image. If we go back that way up again, it's got a button up there that says rotate 180. So I've rotated it 180 first. Now what happens if I turn it that way? Nope, it still stretches the image sideways. So one step forwards and one step back. 1920 by 1080 resolution. Okay. Does that make any difference? Nope. Rotate. Nope. 180 is just flipping it right the way over. You want a 90-degree rotate for turning that sideways, don't you? Oh, we're upside down now. Oh, I just lost it. Right, back there. So yeah, that's annoying. So that's the right way for me viewing it from here, but if I turn it that way, it stretches it sideways. Mind you, I can record it that way and turn the video sideways. So we'll do a few seconds of video recording. Oh, that was the other problem. It records the video onto your internal memory. So on my LG Spirit, where I had a 64GB SD card in it, it wouldn't record to the SD card, and the LG Spirit only had about 8GB of internal memory, of which 7.9GB was taken up with the junk that they put on there, and as soon as I tried recording a video onto it, it would fill up the memory and crash. So I suppose I'll just move that around a little bit, just so we can tell it's video rather than just a still photo. I'll do that for a minute. There we are, that's a minute of video. So we'll see if that records, if that has recorded. That hasn't stopped. Right, now it's stopped. Okay, we'll see if we've appears to be there. We'll download that and see what we've got. So it looks like we've made progress. Looks like I can now go and use my Wi-Fi microscope wherever I want. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description, and if you like this video, you might like this one up here, and you might like to have a look at my channel over here, see what else I do. Thank you for watching.